Hey guys, welcome back to the Smash Garage. Today we're at the farm. Eoin, Daddy.
Running better again.
I wasn't sure where these guys went.
Yeah, we took a detour but then had to stop to put seatbelts on.
Ah, right.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Well, I just tried to use the wiper blades and remembered that they're cable tied to the bonnet. I was like, well, I don't have washers anyway, so there's no point trying to use them.
Cool. We're just going to be hunting yabbies.
Okay.
Oh, this looks pretty serious. What's going on here?
Some repairs from the aftermath of Bashfest. The radiator's a little bit second-hand after a run-in with the back of a Commodore Ute.
I like the radiator.
So yeah, new radiator, try and straighten the front out a bit.
That radiator loved it in the back end.
Oh yeah.
Pretty much everybody hit it.
I think it looks better that way.
Banana.
Streamlined. I thought you were going to hook it up and take off with the car, to be honest.
Well,
I was really hoping that you did.
I was, but I kind of am taking the gentle approach first,
Boring.
which is very unlike me.
Coolant. Reinstalled. Pretty happy in?
Very happy.
That's good.
She lives to fight another day.
Yeah, pulled all the front out with the trusty Pajero. This one, not my one. Came up really good.
Bonnet even closes.
Bonnet even closes. That's what a professional show we run.
Closes and opens.
And opens. That's important. Awesome. And not only that, but check out the new camera car. Whoa, look at that, boys and girls. It's a new car. Crash taxi replacement. I've already done a little sneaky mod before you guys have even really seen it. And already managed to bust a tyre on the track.